Good news, ladies and gentlemen. Freshstart Interior has some exciting announcement to share to you. Guess what? Freshstart Interior is coming to ACCRA, Ghana, and we are thrilled. We'll be having lots of exciting activities, including a free interior and exterior seminar. This holds at the West End University College. We'll be teaching the youth the various types of interior design, their benefit, and how to start interior business. Also, Freshstart will be having a 2-day paid practical interior workshop and floral arrangement. You'll be taught how to transform a space from zero to luxury pretty quick with the use of interior item and floral material. Registration starts now to close June 30th. Lastly, our site inspection and installation. For those who want us to come check out their space for that transformation they've been dreaming about, registration starts now to close June 30th. Friends, is a golden opportunity for you and we can't wait to get started. We've heard so much about the incredible spirit and the vibrant culture that defines Ghana. Now it's time for Freshstart Interior to bring in her passion for interior and exterior design to you. To all our fans and followers on Facebook and Instagram who want to meet with me one-on-one, the interior design specialist, this is a great opportunity because I will be live in Ghana to attend to you. And to those who want to register for the paid practical workshop, registration starts now to end June 30th. Also, we're having lots of fun game and exciting gift package to be won. So, mark your calendars. Ghana Tour starts July 10th to 13th as you join us for this extraordinary journey of creativity, inspiration, and transformation. For more inquiries and registration, call the numbers on your screen. See you in Ghana.